Hello, my name is Zachary Kramer. I'm an online transfer student at OSU that is studying mechanical engineering. I originally got interested in mechanical engineering because I was fascinated with machines and what they can do for us. One of my first exposures to engineering was watching my grandpa fix my first dirt bike when I was 6 years old by tearing it apart, taking measurements, building a makeshift part, putting it back together, and watching it start right up. By getting my degree in engineering, I'll be able to work up in my current workplace much faster. Right now, I lead a team of test technicians at an aerospace company that makes hoists and winches for helicopters. My current professional goal is to become a mechanical engineer and help develop my company's next generation of products. Some of my passions outside of work include playing beach volleyball, riding and fixing dirt bikes and sand rails, and spending time with my family. To balance my life schedule, going to school online is essential for me. Thankfully, OSU is one of the few universities that offers a fully online mechanical engineering degree that is ABET accredited. Some concepts I know about my profession include CAD drafting and modeling, circuits and wiring diagrams, and data visualization. Each of these concepts has benefited me academically and professionally. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. With it, you can create 3D models in software such as SolidWorks. I used this software at my previous workplace to make custom parts for car interiors based around 3D scans of these clients' cars. These models could then be 3D printed to bring the CAD to life and demonstrate how these parts would look in the person's car. Next up, circuits and wiring diagrams help explain what the different electrical components of a product do and how they are connected and used together on any kind of product that uses electricity. Understanding wiring diagrams and circuits has been really helpful at my current workplace because it helps me identify if the product my technicians are working on is built correctly. It also helps me troubleshoot any hoists or winches at my workplace that have electrical issues, which is bound to happen. Lastly, data visualization is taking raw data and turning it into a visual that makes more sense to the general public, your peers, and your colleagues. Software such as Excel can take numbers that represent productivity per month, and I can use Excel to turn the data into a graph that could show if progress is moving in the right direction. One example of data visualization I worked on was with a programming language called Python. Myself and a group of students were doing an internship for Esri where we took raw data of COVID cases and where those COVID cases were happening. We took that information and turned it into a heat map that was laid over a map of Southern California to visually represent which cities and counties had higher rates of COVID per capita. An interesting fact about mechanical engineering is that it is one of the broadest and oldest professions that is often referred to as the jack of all trades in engineering. Mechanical engineers can find work in any market that needs manufacturing, data analysis, machine servicing and repairs, medicine, defense, and much, much more. Even within the same company, mechanical engineers can hold various different positions. At my current workplace, we have mechanical engineers that keep our facilities and machines running, design and test future products, oversee quality inspection of incoming and outgoing parts, as well as numerous other roles and responsibilities. Another interesting fact is that mechanical engineers are working constantly on new ways of building things. For example, there's a car company called Zinger that I got the pleasure of working with at my last job, and they manufacture critical car parts by 3D printing them with 3D printed metals. This car company actually, as of last year, holds the fastest lap around Laguna Seca in a production car. To wrap up my introduction, I will give you all some interesting facts about myself. First is that I'm 6 feet 8 inches tall and the only redhead in my entire family. No, I'm not adopted. Next is that I used to play beach volleyball at a semi-professional level. At the time, there wasn't enough money in it for me to pursue it as a career. A-okay with engineering. Lastly, I'm getting married in August of this year to the love of my life, Amber. Thank you all for watching my introduction of myself. I look forward to working with each of you this semester.